mete is go bribing.
Yeah.
Ankuma, you make buluma yebo. Indi ke kalabare semere bra. Indi aninita ke enabu fama vibra.
Yeah, you be me. Tam no miete. First of all, wa Kalabari TV and Are because in miete paka ibe gugi amebo and ere and mo kumyo be maka nere bra. Before this time, I bokuma and study digite and spread there bra. Kalabari say tari question te wake wana bukibula ni die. Mo kumyo be mete wana ibe me. Inde to bima inka ni mila ore bra. Because inomumu bia inomume biapo ina ware bo nkro labra ni miati yomumu mbe indusuba so in day one amabu mungia puna womena how well are they educated with this virus called COVID-19 anetari yeme micromaye if one amapu mamoko kalabare na apu ibokuma ubime ni miure kuma intinke ubime converte wa ibra why it be hospital yana ore muno Kalabari say maybe you any isolation center any if in case no be making a lakuma in Ibisaki in Bokinu Banga any akbigilabra bu pikiofori tam no miete for Kalabari TV again some time ago in Kalabari BY and Arabi Hospital Amena Health Center na ke one adiem Imbra Iwa Brabio Kalabari say again hospital member Goloma Mampa Gberiela. So if you be memoko Kalabari say mesombe, the tendency there and to spread to hundreds of people to thousands of persons all over the Kalabari kingdom. So the first and foremost is to educate the people to know that this COVID-19 is not a joke. It's something serious and everyone should take it serious. So I can't remember Kalabari say me. What as in we have to do more to keep the people informed of what is ahead of us. Ani aki merebara.
It go bribing. It better to go. Mene bete bebo te amna memu bete bap man ni miakuma. Ambo fama lamba. Mbo inete bra bra bibi na bia. Ani go ya. Ani go ya kuma akemi na toma bete kuma Kalabari seme be me se toma pu nimia mi obi megbolo maye akigbola bete toye me yasin igbola eye kwa sakme igbere lugom ebem kinomu mbetete amna ommegbiara gbiara pu nimia kuma ane embo ineta owu bra bi yana bia ania ankuma Kalabari semete imi edugar ba pma in me obmegbolo maye ni mi abrame ndi yesimbra to ma ineta kena toru finji barabra bala kai mete in mi mnese mepe bobi emi
yes okay o miete inimi ubimini me is not to me is not just left for the government alone. It should be a collective effort. Even that question will be question. Like at the government, before you know, ina warego ina gwaye korolabra nimiba. Iki warego ina nimiba before you member. So the only way the Kalabari is memo kumiete inyo bi many yes, ubi metiti ya anemi. It happens here enlightenment program. But right now, due to this pandemic, people are not allowed to gather in large number. But Kalabari said, "You working one and me, Apollo me, follow that me, follow the Bigasa, our youth leader, is to enlighten the compound leaders. That is follow that man. That is the fastest way to spread wherever. Follow that man in Apollo Goge, Popo Bolaba." Digi upa inko ikege makalabari miepe mo bi amasore go bi pe ni ansimebra o mi obi mansimebra mi obi me kini mapune di mai like much numbers should not gather in particular place. all in, sorry, let me use English. But you said that people should not gather in large number, maximum of 2 persons, and they should walk at least 1 meters apart. Let these people know that this disease or virus that is in town, tell them how fast it could spread around the kingdom and its impact. Me think you say obi man kene pai. Obi man e lam bebe. Me be masaki. E be treatment jana be favor. And the only way te mo ko me egu obi me e amapo wake ine obi me this thing victory now I be baran. And let's take so preventive measures. And if you ask me what are the preventive measures, if get a preba, the gio, it to me boku elite, oloba te bebe pasisi, olomeke, ebora boye bolgo, olos rao, it to me elite, earring say, may be bolake, yosra, or edik, oboku yanai, te oboku me an observe for some days. The boy wanted to in back to pray. Married to me, Gadaware and Gabi Mumma, stay at home and call your closest contacts. Say make you very bravo because me be me and the pandemic will be will be which I be na nurse me brasima because of me Japanian line then no jubia and shia in symptoms very social but in no jubia name. So in a baby I say to boy and nam baby in remember for example no. One me to me man me say me obi me anke bu ebra me o fu bobra na anke bu ebe iya ka kemi le ban yan na so ndimi bia so me napo opa government the guy be me rules me follow so me maranere me is the duty of the leaders of the compound and the youth leaders is their primary objectives to enlighten the people ane ake and erebra
ilu go bribe him Tiane peke, mako mio bime gbolo mayebo. Mam na to ma mes ma rebra me animi mchafu ini to upaka mamba grupo ko tari gote. Ndi ye nimi ye kala bai semenya na te bebra so keme te mio bime bu buri na tarea. Na se wani mi brabu mio bime an shila re. Am peke me te me gbo sak mebo. To mi bari ne te pakate am na me iya. Anya? Ankuma?
Yes,
Ankuma? Mio bime anete buru poko tarik dogi boba ania angote ndi nimiye ininete meke kalabare seme prebari ke mete mio bime bo buri na tarea
okay mete mio bime moko konkri member o bime mulanga gogi in the to be worried using my to be by paka in by name in anganga mraganga which means so ko en wa ko by ni paka te no gambu ye dere dia ino wara ka kai dere apo so by ni dere dia it's true and bu ko tari ke buwe ane miete wa go te government na ore ap give program wa pulu da ku ya na ore then minus the government when Apollo Dapun na youth leaders, and maybe you para the light day Apurimi and if the young people na Mungia Puna, it's now boiled down to we fulfilling our primary obligation to the people. That is the government at first. Before it to the mabe in YDOC, government ma adequate provision yet to be mapping. When I mean adequate provision, it is yet to be prayer, but to make sure that to be much barrier because Buruba she take COVID-19 nenegewere. Let it not be that Ogimemula government ma provision labor. For example, Munju Bekinama one ganga, name 51 days while I didn't wait but government became Munju one a every 2 weeks go if she can go on a prayer. Nkebe pop up to Ogokurumba. And if you may, and because in 2 weeks, then get about 2 weeks, make her bebe in because in Jiffy Kibuba. So if one of my big government master in your Poyeba man, population census in here now, BVN to the to the voters card, Local government chairman, local government is now his duty because even our constitution give one of the primary objective is to safeguard life. That is paramount in our constitution, to safeguard life. Moko ane one amabe leaders man in promises make you remember. This is the right time to fulfill it. Make adequate provision for food for people, irrespective of the person religion or whatsoever. Fear me wari go ge fear in Allah because iye fear barakuba jakwe mi amabi o imu ogbagbogbo san dere bebe ene san me dere fi mate bobri wa imu bebe in the way the gimani ke go ogbagbogbo ye fight ke so na wari nka o me ni na fear me but whereby in by ni mo kunu dere ya immediately why do you fake in how me pray Bible free. With that, some of them will be forced to come out. The boat it label to me. Labi ni you be na rebo. Ni ba isa kina lata ni obi memo kishi ureba. Borba yana mbebe. Borba me in a day. Inete miete and more than 1,000 laba. So fear me, very important, essential factor that the government should take as their number one priority to tackle. There should be adequate provision of food and essential services to the people. But let's not just focus only on the government. We have allies, and before this time, at least, I heard Honorable Flag Amakri and Dumo Lulubi's Foundation, other people, MLG, and the rest of them. I'm also using this medium to say that if Japoso bebe, at least in Braswa Bate, Rubanga me in Akoloba, then let's leave the rest for the government to provide adequate environment for our people so that when this pandemic spread down to that place, they have places that they will take them to. So hearing more community but I'm not left out. That is our primary objective, to make sure people give at least traveling over review. There is break up and if you marry but at least break up when you allow the affemi in favor. It's no better than Balagara, Dorius or Ushuri, Warmedu. So that is my take on this hunger and COVID-19 issue. There should be adequate provision of foods and essential services to the people.
Emete wam nimbre. Idu go yemebo ebem neses omne semeke sebe darapo na okuapo na bala ane ma week go mbo fie ka omne bogotoro kokruma. Ania?
Yes.
Ano pakate gbe sofa.
Wapaka njebe bogotoro kokruma ba te ala mpunuba ibuta nokiba.
Ani bilan raro. Ibilan re. Ankuma sake fama. Moko ibuga ima sigma ndi genti needed go take seme per barbe ke meta mi obi me kri oke brame insime pa ma wore.
Okay, I will go barrier I will go back to the preventive measures in knocking barrier to make sure the meal be made, work what to go be made and spread it back because he never reduce me whatever fear. But if the knowledge on how to prevent OBM so that OBM spreading there. So target and go barrier and everybody reduce me. Let's stay at home for the time being. Let's keep a safe distance. And a key important role every ipakate etelegbolate bosaki gogie ebara sekre etelegbomu bebe bolake etoro la mama ebe la mama iberi bibrake la mama oson in ordinary oson ke ebara sekre for like 20 seconds ike bokoma ebara sekre to prevent it then if ominogo emite I olobate be olowasa mama I anwa bate bebe anwa wasa mama ebra kuku kebote olo ebra poswa I anwa bate so ibi baite anwa. Then the last but not the least, if emite hearing Ioju Jabrakiya, they understand ya bebe. Mangi to me manga muma. Ewa reduce me. The doctor or anybody sing. And when I really give Ioju Kiyabra from now, I understand ya. Embra, pa sisi pa me government atumi massing. Ya the Ioju Messi Mebra. Because if what preventive measures many me happy and full bebe, every other thing they is in vain. Because with proper preventive measures, warning and preventive and spray around the air. So in the same way, I will still go back to the awareness again. In the same way, in Pabaraswa, the main preventive measures may do go. Because from now, me Mwike and Igwabari, hopefully, to increment Babu for now, I can't Gwabari hopefully. So the only way to why they take Ibrahim and Abu Provider would be made preventive among ourselves as United Kingdom.
Emi alama wam nimbre kenga makalaba wam nimbre dugoye wana fante asin dugo ba be bu akuma embra imbre ebra sekre mabro anem srar minjibum kobri digite buken andigi buken peki olar bebo na peki bakama de sar bebo na peki bakama peki ni mi nese sakmengba e wari me fafa maba e yawo me kobri sakmengba ibu poki mabro dogote obime ikuntrere ibu nimima imwaranga digi te emina olokomako kaikoma obime ambare peke labia te yowa peke teke kenya ube pere opa mi should me saki belima wam ne pere o mete o na sime ye wa pa mi amake trokom o mi lama